All right, let's see if I can get this lab to work for you guys. Assignment 1, Java OO. Now we're giving you the CSV, the driver. It's pretty much the program is right here. I think you just have to put it together. So let's take a peek. Let's take a look at this video, and then we're gonna. Hopefully sharing the. You know what? Let me stop this for a second and make sure that the sound is being shared. There we go. Share screen and share the computer sound. Cool. All right, here we go.
Throughout the semester, you're going this.
So I want to see
that's going to
the project layout.
A few notes here just when we look at the code.
I saw it a second ago. There we go.
Approximately 8.
Okay, so under source, he's got an ITN assignment package, and then the Pokemon driver and the Pokemon CSV. All right, based on Java 1.8. So let's see. He's not using. He's using NetBeans or something, or IntelliJ. I'm going to be using Eclipse. No difference. The code should work for either way. So I'm going to create a project. Pokemon. Give it a finish. Don't care about that. Module name is Pokemon. That's cool. I'm going to create it. Don't worry about modules for now. Close those windows. Now it says ITN assignment 1 is this package. That's cool. So I'm going to create package ITN assignment 1. And they created a package for me. Let me make this a little bigger so we can see it. And we're given the Pokédex PokeEX driver CSV and Pokemon CSV. We're given those two files. So let's go back over to the project. And okay, that guy and that guy. And I really didn't want to see it in Excel. So let's go back over to, I'm just going to take those files and include those in our project. So there's file 1. I didn't actually copy it, so let's do that again. And this got renamed because I downloaded once already, so I'm going to rename it to Java. So both of those files are there. I mean, there's a couple different ways to get there. I just cut and pasted them. Eclipse is smart enough to know once there's a file underneath the directory that it'll see it, right? So here's your Pokédex driver. Of course, I got the stupid package name difference. So let's just do this. I'm going to take this and try to rename the package. That would be refactor rename. Cool. Should take only a minute. Give it okay. I was a little bit lazy when it came to the name of this. Okay. So now what do we have now? I still got an error. So it says list Pokemon. It doesn't like, there is no class for Pokemon. I think that's the beginning state of this. Okay, so what is Pokemon then? Let's go back out to our, so Pokemon CSV, Pokemon driver.csv, assignment 1. Please download the starter files, complete the assignment, upload the files here. Please submit your entire project as a single zip file. Very cool. Let's go to assignment 1 now. It says, Pokédex is an electronic device designed to catalog and provide information regarding various species of Pokemon featured in the Pokemon video game, blah, blah, blah. You're asked to tag with writing a simple Pokédex program that will get the information from a large list of Pokemon stored in a file. Each Pokemon's information into the file within the array of, okay, write a test driver program that will import and process the information from the Pokemon CSV file. Then display their information on the console screen using the toString method. A common file format is CSV, it's already there, and the CSV file can be downloaded from, okay, So I guess the question is, what is this list Pokemon? Create a list for holding Pokemon objects. Okay, let's see. When returning a split, it will result in an array of this. So I'm pretty sure you're going to create a new instance of Pokemon. So this is what you got to do, is handle the constructor here. So you need a class called Pokemon, and I need the attributes for each one of the Pokemon. So let's read this code. Let's read it. Sorry. That's not what I wanted. I wanted to make it smaller. Okay. So in the main, you're going to read the file. You're creating a list of. You're going to read each file. You're going to split it into this string array. If the string array is greater than 0, in other words, you have something, create a new instance of Pokemon, and then you're going to set the attributes for each thing that we're reading. This number, name, type 1, type 2, total, HP, attack, defense, and so forth. And then you're going to tell, it doesn't have anything here, but you would do something for how big the size is, right? Or I take that back. It asks you to print off something, so this is where you're going to do the print off. So you got to create a class called Pokemon, and have the attributes, these 12 attributes for the Pokemon. So let's say new class Pokemon. So what it's asking for, I think so. Give me a finish. Let's go back over to here. Did I get it right? Pokemon figures, okay. So I'm going to say refactor, rename. Give it a finish. Okay, program set, like there's no compilers, but obviously you're not done yet. So I need these attributes set, these 12 attributes set in Pokemon, in this guy. Right, so those 12 attributes I want set. I don't know what the data types are for these things, so let's take a look what the data types are. These 12 attributes, it looks like we have number, these are strings, these are numbers, and that's a Boolean. So if I said actually that total was an int, right? Okay, and I'm going to say HP, attack, defense, SP attack, SP defense, speed, generation, and legendary is a Boolean. Okay. Total. So I'm going to say HP. And then I'm going to say attack. I was probably looking for defense. SP attack. SP defense. Speed. Generation. See if that makes any sense. And then I'm going to say, give me a constructor with those things. And why not give the getters for these? Fuck, I'll give getters and setters. Excuse my language. Give getters and setters. Why not? Not going to hurt anything. And give it generate. Cool. Okay, that's right. So I got a constructor for the class, the attributes, and now what's up with this? Why did I get a failure for this? Okay, so I don't have a no-R constructor for this. That's why this is failing. It says save the Pokemon details in the Pokemon object. What goes here? Or you can create a different constructor, initialize the Pokemon data. I created a different constructor. Let's go back over to here and give you a no-R constructor to make your life happy. I would say public Pokemon, no arguments. That satisfies that constructor. So if you did it like that, you'd have to say Pokemon dot set attack. And so now each one of these things, this Pokemon details, right, is going to be a string array with 0 through 12 things, right? So Pokemon at 0 is number, right? So let's say if I said Pokemon at number, set number, is really Pokemon details at sub-0. Pretty sure. Does that make sense? It says set number. And now it's saying that this thing is an array of strings, but that is a number. So you got to change this. I know this is going to be a number, right? If we go back over to here, these are all numbers. So I got to convert a string to a number. So it'd be something like integer parse int that string. And then that's one attribute. So you'll do that for the other 12 attributes from sub 1 all the way to sub 12. You either do that or call the constructor with all these arguments, but this is just as easy, right? This does the set, or you can create a different constructor. It's up to you. Add a temporary Pokemon to the array list object, right? So that one's easy. That one, we already have an array list called Pokemon list. After this is done, it would be like this dot add Pokemon. Right? You get the idea. You can do the rest. I gave you the one. You got 13 to go. Cool. Any other questions? Let me know.